Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So once again, thank you for tuning into my channel and checking out this video. If this is your first time here, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that red button below. Yep, that one that says subscribe. Hit that button, and right next to it, you'll see a little bell. When you do that, anytime I put out any kind of content or videos, and hopefully you're getting some value from this one, you'll get a notification from YouTube. So once again, go ahead and hit that for me, and that I really appreciate that. Also, give me some likes and some comments, and let me know if you have any comments about this video. So with that, we're going to jump right into this. So I wanted to show you guys and share a new little feature that came out with Royaltie that they're rolling out. I've already used it, but it's a great feature, I think, to help people really onboard, because with the new launch of AI, that's very simple in itself. But people see all the other features on the side, like right here. You see the analytics. That's the page I'm in right now. Online ads, landing pages, and email marketing campaigns. People are like, "What's all this for?" and all this other stuff. So the features, we're going to talk about that. So I'm going to show you guys a newest way that they're mainstreaming and make the onboarding process much easier for anyone. So anyone can do this. So 1 second. Click this. Takes me right back to there. So it won't show like this, but the first time you log into your account, you'll see a video. But we're going to start like this. Go boom. It's pretty cool. And you won't have to click on that button at any time. I'm just doing that just because I actually have him set up like this. So there we go. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, each thing, let you watch each thing. You can do that when you sign up and test it yourself. So it's little clippets, and it's pretty cool. So you just hit next. It goes to the next thing. It tells you to click right here. And then we're just going to skip through it right here real fast. Landing pages, next thing, right here. Click there. See how it goes to each section, highlights it, and blacks out the other part. Pretty cool. And it actually gives you an explanation for each thing. And if you can't hear it, it's because I have it low enough so you can't hear it. So, but it's just Justin, the founder and the CEO, actually telling you a detailed subscription of what each section does. So I'll give you a little bit right here. Pretty cool. I think it's really awesome. There's 13 little clips of it, of just each feature. You click on it and boom. And it makes it so simple. Tell you about the online ads right there. Social marketing. Social marketing is pretty cool. I've done videos in the past about that. I use it every day. It's lovely, especially with AI. So yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. You just go through all of them, and then that's it. So now you have a full, complete breakdown of what each feature does. And the great thing is that it does it for you. It's AI. It's artificial intelligence, marketing online. So I wanted to show you guys that and share that with you guys because I think it's very powerful. They figure out, hey, the system works so well when people use it. But even if something that is automatic for them, that does everything for them, people are still intimidated by it. So they say, hey, let's explain it to you a little bit more right here so you don't have to wait around. Because they do have live chat support too. We've done another video about that one on Zoom. So that's what's great about that. And I just want to share it with you guys because I think that is very powerful for people who are skeptic, who are nervous about technology, that doesn't understand everything. But this right here breaks everything down, gives you a gist of it, and helps you just move smoothly, fluently through it. So really want to share that with you guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. My contact information is below in the description. comment on the video. I'll answer the questions that you have. And yeah, guys. So once again, my number is 925-752-8897. That's my direct number right here, my cell phone. And until then, you guys be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Hope you guys got some value from this one. And like I said, give me some likes, some shares, and we'll go from there. So take care. See you next time.